Mark here. It's time for another How to Fill Out Your Organizer video. If you haven't gotten your packet yet, it's on its way. The packet looks just like it has in years past, but on the back you'll see a little sticker with some friendly reminders. Please open all your mail and discard envelopes. You don't want to pay us to open your mail. If you absolutely feel the need to attach documents together, please use paper clips, not staples. We copy and scan each document you bring us, and unhooking all those documents takes a lot of time and costs you more money. Please wait to drop off or upload your documents until you're certain you have them all. That helps us keep all the documents we receive straight, and it also saves you money because we don't have to start and stop while preparing your returns. If we can sit down and prepare the return all at once, that's a lot more efficient, and we charge by the hour, so how long it takes us is what you pay for. Add up all your receipts rather than bringing all of them to us. You don't want to pay us to run a calculator or to figure out what it is you paid for. So the first page inside your organizer is our annual letter. Please take a few minutes to read through it and take note of our changes and other updates. The next page is green, and it's about going paperless. Please fill out what your preferences are. Whatever you prefer is fine with us. And return it with your tax documents. We'll talk a little more about the green sheet and going completely paperless a little later in the video. Then we have your organizer. A really good thing to remember is when you're looking at your organizer, if you answer yes to anything, that means there's a document to go along with it that you'll need to get us. We need all the information. This year, we put the list of documents you gave us last year right on top, so you know what documents you should be looking for. Or if you had a change in job or investment accounts or something like that, which new documents you'll need to get to us. The next two pages are just general questions to catch us up on your life over the last year. It covers personal info, dependents, investments, income, losses, if you received any notices from the IRS or the state, if you have foreign bank accounts, insurance, general questions about major purchases, payments, etc. And also direct deposit information. If you want direct deposit, if you get a refund, we'll need that information. After that, we have business investment questions. So it's all the things that you have about doing your business, or if you started a business, closed a business. The next page is about estimated tax payments. If you did make any estimated tax payments for 2022, give us the dates that you sent the checks and the amount you made them for. We also need to know who you sent them to, IRS or the state. Below that, there's a place for you to tell us about any other major swings in your income. And the last part is related to having any tax overpayment applied to next year, or if you'd like a refund. So pretty straightforward stuff. Next, there's a page on personal information. Please ensure it's correct and make note of anything that's no longer current and get us the new data. This covers info for you, your spouse, your filing status, and your dependents. Then we have information about any other income you might receive, Social Security benefits, 1099-G for refunds from the state, things like alimony or gambling winnings. Hopefully 2022 was healthy and you didn't have a lot of medical expenses. But if you did, the next page is the place to tell us about them and give us totals. Remember, it takes a lot of medical expenses to get you a benefit, but it's always best to tell us you had an unusual year. It may change how we file for you. We prefer to have all the facts up front. The next 4 pages are for interest paid on your mortgage, contributions you made, and other charitable giving. Again, it's best to get us the total rather than a bunch of receipts. We like to save you money, and paying us to run a calculator is not a good use of your money. Now, you may have some additional pages in your organizer, or you may have fewer pages. These organizers are customized to you and contain your personal data from one year to the next. So that's why this one might be different than yours. Now's the time to talk about paperless organizers. The technology is just not there for us to make each one of these organizers fillable online with your specific information in them. It would take just too long to generate them for each person. However, starting next year, we will be offering a general organizer that you can fill out online, and you won't get this packet in the mail. It's one of the questions on the green sheet of paper included in this year's packet. The online organizer will walk you through some very general questions and prompt your memory on what changes you've had over the year, but it won't include previous year's information, and it won't be as comprehensive. The choice is yours on what you'd like to receive. The last thing in the packet is the folder. We always include for you. If you want to skip a trip to the office, you can upload all your documents. Please make sure they're fully legible. They take up the whole page, but don't go off the page to the client portal. Taking photos works, but you have to be very straight and it has to be clear edge to edge so that we can see everything that's important on the page. Remember, there's always a link on our website to the client portal, and all you need to log in is your email address, the last four of your social, and your cell phone so you can get a verification code. If you have any questions, give us a call. If not, we look forward to seeing you and your documents and working with you again this year. Thanks.